What we have here in this area is a pretty thick stand of Chamberbitter. Chamberbitter is also known as little mimosa. It's a summer annual broadleaf weed. It actually reproduces by seed. And if you look on the back side of the leaves, you can actually see the little seeds. It also develops a pretty good taproot system, as you can see here. Look how fibrous that is. It is a very invasive weed, can be very difficult to control. So the best thing to do is culturally, you have to make sure you have a thick stand of grass. If it's in your flower bed, how about using mulch? Because mulch is actually going to restrict light. So if you restrict light, then of course it will not grow. Now, if you want to use a chemical, you can use a pre-emerge. And a pre-emerge I would use would be one that contains isoxaben is one, or trifluorine is another one. If you want to use a post-emergent herbicide, I would probably go with something that contains 2,4-D, dicamba, and MCPP, or your broadleaf weed herbicides. Always read and follow the label. So again, you better control Chamberbitter. If not, as you can see, it produces a thick stand of weeds that are hard to get out. Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.